Hi everyone, this is V and welcome to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining. So today's video, I'm just going to do a quick overview of my EC meal planning planner to see how I'm going to use that going forward. If you're interested in seeing how I set that up, please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you kind of saw my first video for this year, you saw where I purchased the A5 folio planner, as well as some of these planners like the budget planner, the monthly calendar. In addition, I did the meal planner, and the purpose for me utilizing this was to kind of make sure I have something in place for the upcoming week, and just try to use that to the best of my ability. Maybe not every week, but that's the goal. So just to quickly look through this, for those who have not saw it yet, this is basically the EC meal planner, and what this book is basically showing you is when you're wanting to set up a meal plan, you can basically set it up by the week. So like for this upcoming week, it would be Sunday through the following Saturday. And then you just, as you're setting up your meal prep, you can make your little shopping list. If it's something that you think you may need to purchase, if you haven't already done your grocery shopping, you can list those items there. And then any meal prep strategies you may need to do, if you need to look up something on Pinterest, or if you need to just just research how to prep the meal. That I think that's what you will use that piece for. So this is how the planner is set up, and that is it's a good pages. And let's see if we have anything at the back. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so at the back, if you're one of those individuals that actually does dinner party meals, I would say for me, it would be just like maybe for the 4th, or a special birthday occasion, or a holiday. But I'm just not the type of person that just plans big dinner parties throughout the year. But if you are that type of person, this is where they have this piece, this part of the planner where you can set that up. And it has where you can list your guests' names, or how many guests, their allergies, what they're bringing, the cooking schedule. And that's pretty unique. That's good. The only thing that I see is not as many pages as the regular meal prep, but I guess the design is set up that is how many dinner parties are you actually planning within the year. But that's a good part of the planner that I do say is interesting. So, and then at the back, a price tracker for those who tend to just go into the grocery store without a list. I once was that person, so I realized, hey, I'm going over. But if you go in with your grocery list, it's more efficient. So that way you won't go over whatever you have if you're using cash envelopes, or if you just have a budget. But if not, here is something that shows you where you can list how much you spent on whatever you purchase, whether you're using it for the meal prep or for the dinner party plan. So that's good. What is this? Okay, so recipes for those who love to cook and just try out new recipes. If it's something that you have not tried out before, this is a good way to just list the special recipe. You just put the type of the recipe that you're preparing, and just write it out. So that way next time, if you want to cook that same recipe and you forgot what what the ingredients were, or what you need to do to prepare that meal, it's here for you. You can just open up your meal planner and then it's there, versus going back and looking in Pinterest if you didn't save it, or if you didn't log it in another catalog. It depends on what type of person you are, but this is good for those who and I may use this. It's not that many slots, but I may use that. I can see that being beneficial to me, because sometimes I may want to try something new, so I can see that. being a good opportunity. And then of course they have your measuring chart for those who want to follow this if you're interested. And then I see that they have some stickers in the back. So it's not a lot of stickers, but it's some stickers that you can use just to decorate as you're doing your meal prep. So I'm going to go in and just kind of eyeball some things that I may want to do. And let me see. So I'm trying to look at my calendar. This will be for 2/21. So this will start the new week. Let's see. So, and you may not hear me talking. I may just start writing and then kind of speed through this part of the video because I am brainstorming while I'm doing this. But usually some parts of especially for the breakfast, I kind of know what I'm doing for breakfast because it's, it's breakfast. It's really going to be the dinner piece. So let's see. So as you can see, I went in and set up the breakfast, and this is basically kind of repetitive. I know exactly what is quick fix because especially through the weekday because I'm working, and so it's just easy. So basically it's either Sundays is pretty good, but it's usually just like the standard grits, eggs, and turkey bacon and orange juice. Let me make sure I say that. And through the weekday, it's going to be basically simple. Either the oatmeal, waffles, steak, egg, and cheese biscuit, and grits, and back to oatmeal. So it's kind of like alternating between them. And Saturdays, I can tell you right now, that's basically going to be takeout. From having a long week, there's not going to be any cooking. It depends, but most likely it'll be takeout. So let me see about setting up the lunch. Okay, so let's look at the lunch. So basically it's going to be something simple. It's like a turkey sandwich, or 9 times out of 10 it's going to be turkey sandwich. Chips. Here I go again, Monday through Friday, because it's a busy work week. It's going to be something either microwavable or something that can go in the oven. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to be one of the TV dinners, Stover's, Lazine. It's going to be one of those brands, but it's going to be a TV dinner because I try to stock up on those, especially since the week is so busy with my job. Then, of course, looking at probably some salads, pizza, and then sandwiches again. And of course on the weekend, that's going to be out just from having the busy work week. So now I'm going to look at the dinner section and see about that. Let's see. Okay, so I kind of came up with something for the upcoming week. So for Sundays, probably want to look at like shrimp, some brown rice, because that's what I usually use. It's only brown rice, spinach. Here I go through the week. I try to make it simple as possible, less cooking if possible. Chicken, some type of vegetable, brown rice, and that's usually going to be a 2-day meal. So then that's left over. Then pasta, some type of pasta if it's not spaghetti. Maybe some shrimp pasta, chicken pasta. Just depends on which one is throw out for that night. Whatever meat is thawed out. In a salad, and then that's going to usually be a leftover. Friday is going to be takeout, and then probably on a Saturday do some wings and fries. And I can tell you right now with the shopping list, I just recently got the shrimp, the brown rice, chicken, pasta noodles. I just got that, and I just got the wings. So I definitely know the fries is about the only thing that's on the list that I came up with that I need to get for the dinner piece. Turkey sandwich meat, I got that. I need to get the TV dinner because we didn't pick those up last go round. Oh, and then the salad mix. We forgot to grab that at the store last go round. And then the pizza. And I need soup. And chips. Did we got eggs, we got grits, orange juice, we got the turkey. We probably need to get some more of the turkey, sausage, and the links. I got oatmeal, and I definitely know we need to get some more strawberries because boys, they love eating the strawberries. So we definitely need to get some more of those. And I really don't need to do a meal prep because this is simple planning. It's, you know, nothing major. So I don't need to do a meal prep for that. And then I'm looking at the stickers. Just looking at this, I don't see where I can actually put this. But I probably would just to say I used it, is put something, I guess, here. Because one thing about planning is you always want to try to put some, if you can, it's not required, put some type of decor on your calendar, your planner, just so it won't be so dull when you open it up. Because I know I have a tendency, if I'm just looking at something plain and it's boring, I'll never open it up again. So that's one thing I started doing is trying to use the stickers, especially if it comes with the planner. If not, then I'll go into some of my my stash, the old planners, stickers that I have. I'll go in and just, you know, use some of those, just so I won't have to go out and buy a new set of stickers. So that's basically it, you guys. That was something simple that just shows you how I plan to, with my, if you saw my paycheck to paycheck video, if you haven't, please go check that out. Looking at the cash envelope and what I have allocated for the groceries, that will be able to say this is what I'm utilizing out of that cash envelopes for the groceries to prepare for the upcoming week. And so that is basically it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, share the video, as well as subscribe. Bye.